Hello. Alrighty. There's a court case about to happen. Let's go.
Oh, what did you have to do?
Well,
To spawn the
come here.
plot.
This time. Essay, run away.
It is time! Exciting stuff.
Alright, I'm ready.
Listen, Command Names, can you wait till after the court, please? During the case.
Ooh, blueberry.
Yeah, it would be
don't
amazing
worry,
if
I
any
already
red name
Riptide,
killed people
don't
right
worry,
after
I
the court
already
case as well.
placed
Wait,
10
wait,
signs-
don't fall in that trap right
I
there!
already placed 10 minecarts below the court
Nobody
case, don't
took the
worry
zombie
about
horse,
it.
right?
Wait, what?
Okay.
Hold up now. Did you not TNT?
Hello? Oh, okay, bye-bye.
No, of course not.
Yo, what's good, SC?
I have TNT, but I'm
What
not
is
using it
this?
for the court case.
Paranoid.
Yo, we're gonna get like
I
blown
would
up
like
in the...
okay.
Watch
I
out
would like to
behind
you. Do
say
not-
Did
that
you not
previous
hear me
session
say I'm
I
not
had
gonna
the
use it
task
during
to
the court case?
deal
Hello?
damage with
Hey, Lobby.
redstone. If I had kept that
Look at
task,
this.
I absolutely would have done it. But I don't have
Let
it
the,
anymore,
let
so
the
they-
court
trap.
case
I
happen.
legally
Yeah,
cannot
That is so
use-
serious.
I legally
Leaving-
cannot
I
even
will,
blow up
don't
the
that
worry.
courthouse.
decoration and
Let the
place
court
it
case
right
happen.
here
I'm
inside
so
the trap.
Yo, SC, bro.
It would be cool. Would be cool.
Spectator arena. Can I get up here?
Okay, this is a
He'll
threat.
probably take
If
fall damage.
anyone interferes with this court case in any way, I will be placing a huge bounty on your head, and you will not
Well.
survive this session.
No,
Will
no.
the bounty
Oh,
be
no.
will the bounty
Just
be
letting
one zap
anybody
point?
know.
They get a lot of kills.
If
they'll
anyone
have
interferes with it,
Well,
I have a splash potion of poison for a minute and 30 seconds. I will throw it at you before I die. You will
Oh my
lose so
God.
many hearts from that.
Alright,
So
you
just
put the
don't.
dripstone above my seat.
Oh,
No, man.
Look at
Sick
the
idea.
There's only one of me, so...
Okay.
Give it up. Where's the trap? Where's the trap? Jedi,
Where's
where's the trap? Where's it at? Where's it at?
This fucking my
Right
entire
here.
screen.
This doesn't have a jury.
Hold
But
on.
this is
No,
the
like, where does the
spectator area.
spectators watch? That's what I'm at.
Here.
Sure.
Behind the
why not?
trapdoors, behind the trapdoors. Only
Behind
council
the
and witnesses in front of the trapdoors. Yeah.
Nothing bad will
Hi.
happen here. I don't even know.
So you
here.
come
What's
out
I
from
don't
the
know,
room?
the fact that Technics isn't here is very telling.
There you go.
Let's
Really
see.
is.
Technics isn't
Surely he'll be here.
It's okay,
What?
he's got 26 seconds, he's got 26 seconds. It's okay.
25,
Buzzer beater.
24, 23, 22.
Do I win by default if he's not here on time?
Who knows?
Yeah, you gotta.
Wait, where's the
No,
where's the
no, no.
room?
Wait,
The
I
room
am
is, like,
intrigued. To those
where
of you,
everyone is right
spectating,
now.
whose side are you on? Who are you cheering on?
Technics
got
for
I'm not
the
cheering
win.
anyone
Uh,
on. I don't
lobby
care. I don't
OC.
care enough for this. I'm just here to watch.
I can't get to the
Okay,
spectator
I heard
area.
both names at
This
least
is
once.
the
So
true
there's a split
spectator
audience. Let's
arena.
go. Let's go.
Can I get up there?
Oh, hey, Technics.
I don't know, but so far,
Wait,
only one
he's
side has
here.
threatened
Fun.
me,
Yo, how do I
so
get up
I'm
there?
gonna
SC?
go back
and one
into
side
normal.
hasn't. So
let your heart be your guide.
I really would like
Oh,
to
yeah,
do
did
this.
you hear the thing?
What are you
okay,
doing?
so
Why?
let's go do our
that they
task
said?
together.
Yo,
Yeah,
what's
but
good?
Did you hear the thing Lobby said?
wait.
Whoever
No.
Best
interferes
of luck,
with it
Reptile.
in any negative way will have
There we go.
such a huge bounty on their head that they will die this session.
I need to.
Yeah, we're all dying. We're all
Oh,
dying here. SC. It's all
You made it.
Hello,
When
anime.
I said
How you doing?
I'm
How you
doing
doing?
good.
Actually.
It
I
was
like
just-
your videos. They're very
Good.
nice.
Thank you. I'm your biggest fan actually. I'm your
Do we
biggest.
want
Oh,
to
yeah?
make an event stage
Oh, yeah?
so that
Yeah.
Asher can hear this?
Yeah, that's what I
I'm down.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
make one.
You know what? That
Hopefully.
actually works.
was. No funny business, okay? This is Oh, Riptide.
You've
Oh,
already
how
lost
sweet of you.
2.5 hearts?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but if I did another
Your
task, I'll
Honor?
get it back, and I don't want to do
Your
this.
Honor,
Hang on.
that you
Alright,
set a
I'll
concrete time of
place a rail over
declaration
here.
for when this trial will begin.
Oh!
Oh,
No,
the roof's
come
fine.
on,
It's
why
okay.
you
The roof's
keep
fine.
out here?
We're being
Go.
Jet.
Is the roof
Jet.
okay?
Jet.
Is the roof okay?
Whose dog is this? Why is there a dog
Oh,
here?
dude, I actually.
That
got my
is
dog.
not mine.
He just like
That
follows me
is-
around.
Might be
That's
Jet.
Tex
Wait.
dog.
First off, that was the creeper. Maury, you saw that,
Right.
right?
No, he's
Yeah,
not me,
no,
bro.
that was a
He
creep.
doesn't
It
bite.
was
He
a
It was
doesn't
dead
bite.
on behind me, bro.
Why didn't you let it
It's
explode?
my golden
But you
retriever.
did, please tell me
so-
what you think is
I
damage
don't
there.
know. I'm gonna lose.
That's an assist.
Uh,
What's up?
We just
The only
Jet,
thing
Okay,
I like
there
more
is
than my
now
dog
a,
is Cheerios.
Hey, stop building
Hold
the
on, let me
stage
clean
created
this
for
up.
this.
Let me clean this up.
go.
Oh man.
Alright.
Oh,
Which
no,
means what?
my enchanted golden apples. Fuck.
Asher, why do you have this dirt here, bro?
Got that.
No.
Is the dog the judge
And-
now?
Alright, everyone in game, join the stage in the Discord. Join the stage in the Discord.
It's
There's
here.
a stage. The fuck? Shit. What the hell?
What did I? What did
Are we gonna talk in game or in Discord?
That's it. I'm bombing the server.
I mean, I'm just gonna
We'll
mute
talk in
Discord and
Discord. We'll,
Hey,
we'll,
Mochi,
we'll
you
talk.
okay?
We'll talk in Discord so everyone
Huh?
can hear. Because
Oh,
like Asher or
how you
someone doesn't
doing?
have voice chat, right?
I'm doing okay.
oh yeah, someone in here
Oh,
does have
I'm
voice
really-
chat. But I'm just
Yeah,
muting
yeah.
Discord
I
so I
really
can
want
hear
to
you guys in game instead.
I just
Dragon Queen
enrolled.
Porn Case.
I will
I was.
probably
I had to build
I'll
a
probably
TNT
mute
cannon
in
and
game and
hit a
talk
blow
on
up a
Discord.
base from at least 50 blocks.
Okay, so I'll just
But with
I'll
this world,
listen
then
through that
it's so
instead.
Yeah.
difficult.
What are you
So
doing?
just
Oh.
Bobby, not read
I
them.
mean, here's the
Yeah,
thing.
if
Actually,
all
I think it
council
would have been
witnesses-
easy
all
on
council
Smurf
witnesses
and
speak on
Smurf
Discord,
doesn't
and then
use their
anyone
base
else who wants
anymore,
to
so
speak
it's
in the
fine.
audience
Oh
can
my
speak
God,
on
that's
voice chat. So
Oh,
we mute but
okay.
don't.
What
Who
happened
broke
to the
this?
ladder?
put
Yeah, okay.
Asher, why'd you break the ladder?
Lobby, can you give me
Asher, I'm going to
access
shoot
to
you in
talk?
the head.
Hey.
Fix it.
Yo?
Fix the
I
goddamn
think
ladder,
I think
Asher.
this is
we-
all red doing their task.
Oh, is that for
Yo,
Whoa,
yo,
whoa, whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa.
get out of here.
It's wood. It's wood. It's wood.
Are we-
It's wood. Okay, it's wood. It's wood.
Do not
Chill,
mess.
chill,
Do
chill.
not mess with us. We are not to be messed with.
I picked up a log. Now I see
I wasn't trying to declare war.
Yeah.
Yo, somebody kill this
Oh,
Are
guy.
we dead at?
Jack,
Are we
can I
dead
have
at?
some
though?
TNT
We're not
now,
even
like,
1 minute.
Don't-
You
don't
may
shoot.
not go into a courtroom and start stabbing people.
With a wooden sword when everyone's
Your Honor,
Okay, we don't feel like getting
Your Honor,
hit.
suspend court
Sylvie,
case.
did you
There's too
take
much violence.
damage? Are you okay? Oh, I know what you. Oh no, I know what you have.
I'm done.
Yo, who took my
Oh
axe?
my god, I've been muted this whole
Someone,
time.
someone has my axe.
Hello,
Someone has my axe.
Riptide.
Yeah. Hi.
Thank you. 'Cause you just
Someone
got
has my
task
axe.
complete.
I just immigrated
How?
here. What's going on?
Yeah.
My
I
task
know- I
was
didn't know
go
how I got
invisible
an
and hit
axe in
at
the
least
middle of
5
that.
people with a sword.
Consider it a.
I want to
consider it
do a
treat for me.
task,
Within a
but
minute.
the only one close by is Froakie, and Froakie
Oh,
gave
wow.
me a heart.
What's your task?
Yeah, we're gonna speak in Discord. We're gonna speak in Discord.
Nothing.
DLC.
Don't worry
Oh, yeah, you
about
can't tell
it.
me.
I'm just
Froakie.
saying.
We are now
Creeper and
speaking
Technic should be up here. Can I? Oh, I can invite people to speak. Okay, I see. I'm a moderator. Let's go. Riptide also needs to be up here. Let's go. Okay.
Okay, no.
Gang, time is of the essence. We do only have 2 hours.
Oh yeah, we're
Alright,
finishing
alright,
this.
alright.
I'm just so
Everyone mute.
claustrophobic.
Everyone mute
Dude, I'm
in game.
claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. Ugh. I don't like this. I need my service dog with me. That's my lawyer right there. That's my lawyer right there. Proud to be his
Yeah, wait, what is Fresh Polar gonna do?
Nah, well no, I just play the funny sounds and you're like that's my
You
my
gotta
dude.
say order in the court, Creeper.
Bobby, do you mind if my dog
I'm just,
sits
Also,
right
council
there?
in the
getting
stage
set
right
up
now,
and
council in the
Hi,
stage right
Reptile.
now, you should be muted in game. Keep that in mind. Mute up in game, but don't deafen. So
I
if
am.
anyone else speaks, you can still hear them.
I should probably unmute Technics.
Creeper, you should mute
Don't
but not
be muted.
deafen. That way, so if other people speak, you can hear them still at least. Because I'm sure people will try to shout.
You know what? Order in the court, order in the court. And we're like, what?
Order
We're all-
in the court.
Odors in the court. What's that odor that I smell in the court? And they're like,
What has
well, that's...
happened back here? It's been like 5 minutes.
Yeah, we already got people stabbing each other, breaking down the
I feel like we should
frickin'
get started. I feel
Capitol
like we should
building.
Get started. I feel like we should get started. Is everyone in here? I think
Yeah, I'm
everyone
just
who
pulling
wants
up
to
courtroom procedure and then
Honor.
we can start
Your
up.
Honor,
Okay.
I may or may not have been PM'd a threat.
What?
By
Ping one.
I believe it.
yeah, but I may or may not have been PM'd a threat.
Yo. That's all I wanted to say.
Oh,
just
so
that.
Froki doesn't have
Oh.
Discord apparently.
Someone want to echo
I'm-
it? Someone want to echo it, and so I can just. Everyone on the council can mute them.
We can do.
So we choose if
Okay.
Roki doesn't get to listen or Asher. I see.
Yeah.
What a.
Roki's
I mean,
leaving.
Froki has stuff he wants to do this session, so
Okay, if Roki's leaving, we'll just go.
Yeah.
Asher, go in the spectator stand.
We
Asher,
already set
bro.
up a stage for Asher, to be fair.
Yeah, Asher.
plus
is
it'll be
my-
convenient
is
for
my-
sharing
is
evidence and
my
everything.
supporter. He supports me.
No shit, Lobby set up a stage for you. I am the jury. I mean, you are not the only juror.
I think we're all the jury.
Friends, this case is not subject to jury decision.
No. This is an awesome case, by the way. This is going great. Thank you,
May I ask
Asher.
you to sit in your seat? Fine, Asher 6H.
Okay,
say
so
we
we'll start
suspend
in
it.
about 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Yeah.
I say we suspend this case to whenever later because Asher is causing a disruption. Or we just don't do the court case at all, which I'm fine with either.
Yeah.
And we all just go our
The
separate
fun of
ways.
it.
Let bygones be bygones.
Little FYI here.
Oh,
I
do we
might
want to have
finish
a bailiff, by the way, just to escort people out if they're being rowdy?
Let Jack be the bailiff.
We can
Yeah,
do that.
Jack, you can be the
if
bailiff.
anyone... okay, no, that's fine.
Jack, you get to stand in the corner and look all serious behind Creeper. You get
Okay,
to-
I'm gonna echo for a sec. Sorry to everyone else.
Wanna do shield
Froki,
and
is
stuff.
Froki here? Froki, if you want to, you can join my stream under the condition Creeper is willing to make an exception if you see my task. That doesn't count as like, you know.
Yeah, that's perfectly
'Cause then
fine.
Froki can hear, but then obviously it risks that Froki can see my task. So I'll try not to open my book. I know what my task is, so
Oh.
I'll try not to open my book.
Dog, can you please stop? Can you please come over to my side?
It's fine. I'll only speak on Discord now. I just needed to talk to Froki.
I put my axolotl down. So he
That's
brings me
true,
comfort.
Jack.
Thank you. Is Asher gonna be the what is it called? Person who writes things down.
The guy who types. Yeah, the guy who types.
The typer?
Yo, while we're stripping in here, that's inappropriate.
A man knocks on the door and holds a typewriter, and you think that of me?
Yo.
Much better.
I'm the typer, like the thingy, yeah. Oh my goodness.
All right,
My
ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Creeper Man 107.
Let's
Yeah.
go, Creeper.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, that guy.
Bro's not speaking.
Okay, so if everybody's
Jack.
ready, we
W
can commence to opening statements. Is the plaintiff ready to give their opening statement?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Okay, here we go. Okay, since the beginning of the series, the defendant has been manufacturing and trading an illegitimate currency named Sapcoin. Before coming here today, I approached the defendant with a settlement offer, which was quickly laughed off. So now it's my intention to prove beyond reasonable doubt that it's always been Sapcoin's goal to scam players without ever needing to deliver what's promised in return. And this so-called business is nothing more than a sketchy way for the defendant to give himself an unwarranted advantage. On behalf of our community, I'm pushing for a motion to permanently abolish this shady business and charge the defendant for the promised yet undelivered heart gifts. In total, this amounts to the immediate loss of 30 hearts, a full life,
Sorry.
which I believe is fair for reasons you'll later learn about. The evidence I'll present includes the methods used to unfairly manufacture Sapcoin and undeniable proof of the defendant's inability to repay his customers. Your Honor, I believe these claims alone are enough for the case to proceed. Thank you.
I was
It
talking to
is-
my mom.
Yeah, can you shut up while we're in the middle of a court? She's doing a full thing here. You know, like,
I
yeah.
was talking to my mom.
Okay, is the defense ready to proceed with their opening statement?
Yes.
Better be good.
I gotta.
Yo, I didn't do it.
Not techniques. I read an entire thing. You can shut up.
Oh, wait. Hang on. Wait, where is it?
I say it.
Oh wait, yeah, go ahead.
The defendant pleads not guilty on the grounds of legally binding contract that prevents legal action and has been written and declared that Sapcoin is an unfinished product.
And I didn't do it.
W speech.
Alright, very short, very concise.
Show
Can we get quick?
Okay, that was pretty brief. With that out of the way, we can.
Your Honor, we wrote it with 5 minutes to spare.
Oh, we didn't. What are you talking
You
about?
spent the last like 2 weeks preparing this.
Bro.
Your Honor, I
Like,
feel like the case has every right to proceed.
Okay, so we can
So
proceed
the case has
to.
begun, correct, Your Honor?
Yeah, we can proceed to plaintiff direct exams.
Alright, Your Honor, may
Are
I
you
ask you a
ready
question?
to?
I am ready, Your Honor.
Can I ask you a question, Your Honor? What is
sure.
the punishment if Technics is found guilty?
You just said
Luffy
it.
I
it.
said this like 5 seconds ago.
I was
I'm
talking
pushing
to my
the-
mother!
It will be
30
a
hearts.
sum of 30
I'm
hearts.
pushing for the I am pushing for the abolishment of Sapcoin entirely and the immediate loss of 30 hearts from the defendant.
May I bring up an
Okay.
issue?
Now take care of the security. That's your job, bro.
May I bring up an issue in his statement?
Yes, you may.
So, as some of you may know, probably not most of you, probably not Tudlud, so, plaintiff is a civil term used in civil court cases. One cannot be sentenced to the death penalty in a civil court case, which is, the death penalty is equal to the loss of 30 hearts.
You will later learn why I'm pushing for this charge in particular, and I believe my reasoning to be fair. If you give me a chance to present the evidence I've acquired, you will understand why I believe this is reasonable.
Well, you still may not get the death penalty from a civil court case.
I will keep
my
that in
friend,
mind,
is not up to
Valor,
you.
and we will proceed with this case. Plaintiff, are you ready to call your first witness?
I am ready, Your Honor. I'd like to begin by asking a couple of questions to the defendant, as his answers will provide context into the evidence I'll later present.
what?
So, Technics, my friend, hello. Do you
Where
want
should
to
I
stand on
stand?
opposite sides, make this interesting? We can stand down
Yo.
here. We can stand down here. Who is dying to a skeleton? Are we good, gang?
I don't
What
know,
are
probably
the
Smurfette.
Wait.
What are the side characters doing right now? Okay.
Technics, enlighten the court. What is a Sapcoin?
Sapcoin was a experimental thing I was doing, test out a final product. It's like think of it like a gambling kind of like cryptocurrency, where
Okay, that's fine. So tell me,
yeah.
what can a player in possession of a Sapcoin do with it?
They can get a heart from me if they give me one of their hearts.
Okay. So, when a Sapcoin is returned to you, how many heart gifts do you typically offer to pay for one?
One.
Okay. But isn't it true that in the past you personally offered me a better deal if I invested in the Sapcoin?
Well, no, that was Sapcoin too. That was I proceeded with my experiment.
It's
The
a yes or
original
no
Sap-
question. Have you or have you not offered me a better deal for purchasing Sapcoin?
Yeah, but not that Sapcoin.
Yes,
I was
thank
experimenting
You. Okay.
with new things.
How many heart gifts? Let the court know. How many heart gifts did you offer me?
Like, I don't know. Like, you?
I can present this if you'd like me to. It was free, and if you
Oh,
if the
you sure?
if Your Honor, if you're willing, I can show you a video
Your
that
Honor,
proves this.
it was not 3, dude. It was not 3. It was 2.
Yeah, you may present your evidence.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
I'm posting a video into the Sapcoin lawsuit evidence channel. Bear with me. I need to pull it up. I don't have this.
Your
video.
Honor,
It is
what if
this
it was
one.
made? What if it was made with Sora 2 AI?
The source of this video is the defendant's own video, which was published publicly.
Oh,
means it is
Technics is
admissible
an AI
evidence.
YouTuber. That's why.
Wait. What if
So everyone, please take a look at the video before I continue.
Yo, okay.
And then Technics, I'll ask you again, did you or did you not offer me free heart gifts in return for purchasing a sap coin from you?
Yo, where's the video? Yeah.
I
I see it. You know, I'll give you 2 sap
No.
coins.
Guy, bro.
3 sap coins.
Oh, that's
I've never
fine.
gone this high for a customer. Bro,
The video
Your
clip.
Honor, I am strongly considering dropping my defendant.
all I
The
said is
video
that I
clip
gave
says
you
that it
2
is
sap
0
coins.
seconds long for me.
I cannot watch it.
Yeah,
either.
yeah, objection. The video doesn't work.
Objection.
Look,
That's
fine.
false
I
evidence.
can screen share instead. I'm happy to screen share instead.
Yeah,
no,
if you
it's
want to screen
working.
share in the stage, that can work.
Yeah, I'll screen share in the stage.
How do I hear a
My
zombie?
apologies. I don't know why that's happening. I can watch it fine. Alright,
The real question is
everyone
if
now
you're-
see my screen?
Yes, we may now
Okay.
see your screen.
Please listen closely.
You know, I'll give you 2
No.
sap coins. 3 sap coins.
Oh, that's
I've never
fine.
gone this high for a customer.
There you go.
Okay, I
That's
said I'll
that's
give you
the
3
representative
sap coins.
there. So, Technics, did you or did you not offer me free sap coins, which is the equivalent of free heart gifts? Oh, sorry, free heart gifts for a sap coin.
Okay, just because I said I offered you 3 sap coins doesn't mean
Yes
that
or
it would
no,
all be in
Technics?
one
Did you
session.
or did you not do that?
Well, I did it, but like you're
Yes or no,
misinterpreting.
Technics? Did you or did you not do that? I'm looking for a yes
Yeah.
or no answer.
Yeah, I did it, but
Okay,
that
thank
was
you. Can you tell
Like-
us what would happen if more than one player attempted to redeem their sap coin at once?
that's part of the gamble. It's you can. it's a-
Can you tell us what would
part
happen?
It'd be like better luck next time because you bought that. It's your you knew what you were getting into. You knew what you were
Eh?
getting into.
So by that logic, would you agree that means the more players who invest in Sapcoin, the less likelihood each bearer has of being paid? Yes or no?
Yeah, but that's what makes it so
Okay, thank you.
interesting.
In this line
Does
of
it-
questioning, Your Honor, we've established that a Sapcoin is worth up to 3 hearts to the bearer, but while the defendant is guaranteed upfront profit, he's reserving the right to refuse payment to the currency's bearers and calling it a risk on their part. While this kind of behavior is already something that no legal tender would accept, I'm far from done. So, Your Honor, I ask that you hold on to this information as it will be relevant to my following points. For the time being, I have no further questions.
Okay, that will be added to the court record.
Can I just say
crying.
something? I don't know if I'm allowed to. Can I just say something?
You're right, one sec.
I
Does the
think that's
defense
fine, 'cause
want
I
to
was-
cross-examine this witness?
Huh? Oh yeah. I don't need a cross examine. I just have something I need to say because it was like, well, a sap coin. The whole thing about it is that like if it becomes in high demand, the harder it's gonna be to get a heart back. But that's the thing. So if you buy it while it's not in demand, you have a higher chance of getting a life than if it is in high demand. That's the whole point of sap coin.
Sylvie, you have to be on the stage.
Actually. What happened? Okay.
Sylvie.
So that's the whole point of Sapcoin. That's why it's like a gamble. That's why it's like investing in a crypto coin because it either goes up or it goes down. Therefore, making the profits either up or down. They knew what they were getting into. We have a document to prove it. Thank you, Mr. Creeperman 107, Your Honor.
Okay. The plaintiff would next like to draw your attention to a few pieces of evidence. Your Honor, for this, I'm willing to personally take the stand and open myself up to cross-examination from opposing counsel if you will allow it.
Yes, I will allow that.
Thank you. Okay. The first piece of evidence I'd like to present is an image in which you can clearly see the defendant secretly planting mass amounts of spruce saplings, which can be manufactured into Sapcoin in his own team's home. Your Honor, may I?
Yes, you may.
Okay, I'll post this one in the evidence channel as well. And then I will continue.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
And this
Oh.
this is the same thing. This will be relevant. Okay. In total, I count 34 Sapcoin. That's 34 heart gifts the defendant could be paid by customers. But while the defendant is promising up to Sorry, I've got the number wrong here. It's 102 heart gifts in return. If we generously assume we have, I don't know, 10 sessions remaining, he would only be able to pay out 10 of those heart gifts, which is less than 14% of what's being promised.
Lobby, that's the thing.
Your Honor?
That's the thing. Oh.
Why are you speaking for yourself? You brought me here for just.
I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
Your Honor, as one who lived in that residence, as far as I know, Technics had no ill intent of turning those into sap coins.
Which brings me on to my next point. Couldn't these be regular spruce saplings with no intent of being manufactured into sapcoin? No, and I can prove that too, because the next piece of evidence I'd like to present is a video in which you can clearly hear the defendant describe the spruce saplings in his base as living sapcoin. Your Honor, may I?
I give up!
Yes, you may.
Valor.
Stay strong.
Valor.
Look,
No,
okay.
we didn't even lose. We didn't
Please
even
take a
lose.
look. Please take a
You are
look. Please take a
comically
look
bad to
at the video
defend.
in the evidence
Stay
channel.
strong.
Let me know if
Alright.
it doesn't play and I can
Stay
screen share it if I need to. I
Valor,
think it
we
should
have
be
so
fine.
much evidence, though. We have like so much evidence that will win for us. Doesn't even matter.
Here's the video.
Is that video
Well,
playing? Okay?
all 4 of our trees
Yes, it
died.
is.
They were the bipeds are sap coins. They were living sap.
I agree.
Thanks. Thank you, Valor. And
Your Honor, with the evidence presented, the plaintiff is done painting a picture of the defendant's unreasonable business model. The next time I speak, I'll finally prove the legitimacy of my claims to you all watching before resting my case. So,
Okay,
Valor,
does the defense wish to cross-examine this witness?
understand.
How fucking could I?
hey, do you want me here?
He has video evidence of saying that will be Sapcoin. How am I supposed to?
Call him delusional.
Here's
or
the
something.
thing.
I don't know.
That's actually not what I meant, because even though it is true, I was selling Sapcoin. Those are not Sapcoins. See, at the start of the session, we started collecting trees, and we had a name for each tree. But
Right, what's the question?
no, I'm just explaining myself. Hang on. The question
you should be
is,
asking Lobby a question because
how
it's
are
your
you
turn to examine
confident?
him.
How are you confident that that is actually true Sapcoin that I was gonna sell?
I have presented a video of you describing your own saplings as living sapcoin, my friend. Everyone has witnessed it.
You notice the keyword there is living, right? Let me ask you this: is Sapcoin a living thing? Can currency be living?
I don't know.
That's a
am
yes or
not
no
that
question.
deeply
Yes or no
invested
question.
In...
Can a currency be
I
living?
don't
or
know
not?
the answer.
The answer would be
Saplings
obviously.
are plants, so yes. They are.
No,
living.
not the coin. The coin is a physical coin, not a plant. But anyways, that's just the name of my tree farm. That's just the name of my trees. They're
Very
like
well.
my
For
pets.
your sake, we can assume no, sapcoin are not living. That's okay. If that's what you'd like to go with.
Thus,
Your
there's a
Honor.
clear distinction, Your Honor, between the
Your
Sapcoin
Honor.
and living Sapcoin. I rest my case.
You rest your case.
Your Honor.
I rest my
Hey,
case.
Your Honor.
Spectators.
Listen to me, Your Honor. This is my first ever case, and I am
Oh
like,
my god. This is what you want your public defender to
this is
do.
my first
Vala,
ever
don't get
case.
down, my friend.
This is what your public defender
May
does.
I?
Why are you
No,
standing
I
on
was
the?
gonna. I was
You're the
gonna.
winning side.
May I please bring on one of my friends who is like knowledgeable, please? They aren't even on the server, please. Please.
You
Please.
can do that during their cross-exam.
Tyler, do you want me to do it? You want me to just defend myself?
I don't want you to do anything anymore.
Okay. Here. You wanna have a little brain break, and I'll just do the rest for now.
Do you guys want a like 5-minute court recess?
Speed running?
Recess.
Speed?
Your Honor, it benefits me if I can immediately continue. I'm prepared to continue, and if opposing
It
counsel
benefits me
isn't,
if I
then
fucking leave.
that's not on me. It's my time to present evidence, and if they want to, you know, summon witnesses, they can do that during their own cross-exam. Am I wrong?
Fine, continue.
Yeah. So, is the plaintiff ready to call their third and final witness to stand?
I am, Your Honor. Okay. Spectators, I'm referring to you guys now. You've all heard the impossible business model of Sapcoin. Now, as promised, it's time for me to prove the defendant's unreliability here and now. How am I going to do that? Riptide. You all know him as my co-counsel, but there's something we didn't tell you. He's also my private investigator, and he's prepared to testify under oath for my final line of questioning. The plaintiff calls Riptide to the stand.
Riptide, how could you? I thought we were more than that.
Your Honor, may you place this witness under
I
oath?
am not okay.
Yes. Let me pull that up real quick.
Fucking God. You know what? I'll be right back. I need to go get a bottle of whiskey.
Riptide, do you swear the evidence you give will be the truth, nothing but the truth, and the whole truth?
Yes, Your Honor. I swear.
Okay, so you may
Maybe.
proceed with your exam.
Okay, Riptide. I'm going to start by providing some context and explaining the events between myself and you. If at any point I say something untrue, I'd like you to stop me. Can you do that?
Yes.
Very well. After recruiting Riptide as my private investigator, I told him about an anonymous tip I received from a player who wasn't willing to testify today. They told me that the defendant kept his Sapcoin in a barrel under a double chest in his home, so I asked Riptide to take a look and retrieve everything he found. Everything good so far, Riptide?
Yeah, sounds accurate.
Of course, I didn't personally visit the defendant's home during this time, so I'd now like you to continue. What happened exactly after we split ways?
So, I went into the defense home. I looked under the chest.
Oh my God, he's dying.
I looked under the chest. and
Order in the
after
court.
digging- After digging 2 dirt blocks, I found a barrel which contained 10 Sapcoins.
Your Honor, I believe opposing counsel are trying to silence my witness.
I think he just
I believe
choked
the
on
defendant's trying to silence me.
Valor, can you please be quiet?
Please
No.
stop
Riptide, please continue.
Okay. So, I went into the home, I looked under the chest, and I found a barrel with 10 Sapcoin in it. I then retrieved the barrel and brought it to the base.
Perfect, thank you. Your Honor, the final piece of evidence I'd like to present is another video, this time showing the story play out exactly as Riptide just told it. Is that okay with you?
Yes, you may submit this evidence.
Thank you. I will post the video in the evidence channel now. Everyone, please take a look before I continue.
Your Honor.
It's another broken
Did you have a
video.
warrant? Were you allowed on our property?
You can ask these questions on cross-exam. Can you please sit down
the
and
video's
wait?
broken.
You know what? I
It's
take
not
over as
playing.
defendant.
You're
Should I
I'm
set
drunk.
screen share?
I
do
think
have screen share if I need to. Okay.
Yeah, everybody watch the screen share.
I will screen share this evidence. Everyone, please take a look at my screen share. Take no notice to opposing counsel. You do not need to hear audio for this video. It's all good. Okay, I'll start playing the video now. Keep in mind, this is Riptide's screen.
Cue the Ducks music. Jack knows too much. You're not coming
Bobby,
up on the
just go.
stage, Sober.
You just allowed me to win.
Thank you.
You just
You're
made
not
me
coming
win.
up on the stage.
Your Honor, can I cross-examine?
Yeah, I'm not quite finished. I'm not quite finished.
Yeah, after the direct examination.
Alright.
I'm sure by now most of you have figured out where I'm going with this. Your Honor, you'll remember that earlier on I pushed for the immediate loss of 30 of the defendant's hearts, and what you're about to witness is precisely why I believe that to be fair. Technics. Here
I'm
I've
not even
managed to
gonna-
acquire 10 Sapcoin. We've established that the currency I am the bearer of entitles me to up to 30 hearts, which in front of everybody, I'd like to redeem right now. 1, 2, 3,
No,
4,
we're not
5,
doing that,
6,
Lovey.
7, 8, 9, 10. So, Technics, you now have the opportunity to prove your business isn't a scam by paying me what you now owe me. That's 30 heart gifts. Would you mind doing that?
Bob, you don't even let me cross-examine. Like, literally, I can
Please.
disprove this.
And you will have the opportunity to in just one moment. But please, could you
Yeah,
give
but
me
I'm
the
not
30
giving
heart
you-
gifts that... You're not? Well,
Bobby.
Your Honor,
There is a
isn't that
silverfish right there, by
surprise?
the way.
Your Honor,
No.
the plaintiff rests their case.
No, I don't. I didn't even get a chance to do it. You can't charge me until I've...
The plaintiff. You're
Okay.
not the plaintiff.
Listen,
That,
You're
that's
the
me.
does
I am the plaintiff.
Defense
Technics.
wish to cross-examine this witness.
Why is my sister calling me? She's in the house. She can just come in my room.
Your Honor, I'm scared to go down there. But, I'm not paying Lobby because I can prove that I don't owe him that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you will get your chance to present
Bobby,
evidence and call witnesses directly
Yeah,
after
he's
this.
gonna kill me if I go down. I'm staying up here.
I'm not
Alright?
going to kill you.
Oh, we're in court. Come down.
Yeah, there
You
is
said you're
a
literally
bailiff
just
here
gonna
that will
do
protect
exactly
you.
that.
Your Honor, may I make a statement? Is it cross-examination yet?
Yes.
Can I...
You may cross-examine this witness.
No, let
Riptide, you
Valor...
did not have a warrant to enter our house. And how did you know that was there?
He said how we
can I please
knew
talk-
in
can
his
I-
thing.
I'm
Val-
too drunk for this
Valor,
shit.
can I do the thing? Can I let him take a rest and I can just do the crossing?
Why am I here then?
Because I thought you were gonna do something. Right.
Oh my god.
It's okay. You're still the goat. Riptide.
Technics, you don't understand. I on day one of me like becoming your lawyer, I PM you. Can I have like some of the evidence and then you PM me the structure of the court case?
Counsel, would you like to cross-examine my witness or not?
Of course I want to cross-examine your witness.
Then please go ahead.
Make a demonstration of that video. Okay. Firstly, I want to say why is there no audio on that?
There is audio. There's just nothing said during that time.
I don't think
I
Okay.
was silent. I
Who is-
wasn't.
why is there
talking, if that's what
silverfish?
you're asking?
Wait.
I was-
Second question.
It's our turn to cross-examine. Let me hold on real quick. I'm gonna invite someone to the server.
Oh,
Invite Java Joseph.
Second thing I want to say is that why did he specifically enter into my base and check under the chests? Why were
Because
you?
of an anonymous tip that we received.
Who was your anonymous tip?
Do you know what anonymous
Very
means,
anonymous,
bro?
if he tells you.
Do you understand the word anonymous?
What? Is that?
Your Honor, may I
Is it-
re-clarify something I said
No.
earlier? I will give
No,
no new
it's-
testimony. I would just like to re-clarify because they're asking a question that's already been answered. I believe I can object. to that.
There is actually an
Putting
objection for
anonymous-
that.
Yeah. Objection asked and answered.
Okay. But here's... Dude, now I've lost track because you messed me up, Lobby. Dude. Okay. Here's the thing, though. The dog's angry at you. Hang on, let me get my mind together. So I asked you about... Just typing. Okay, so I asked you about the sap coin and why you went in there. You said you got an anonymous tip. Why is my dog speaking
Yo,
out?
can you focus up?
Someone make him be quiet. Turn the
Jack, can we get the dogs out of here, please?
Okay, that's my dog. I'll just mute it. Okay. Oh, you said it's an anonymous tip, right?
Mhm.
How would you be able to distinguish the difference between planting evidence and setting me up versus just getting an anonymous tip to go there? Like, how can you prove that you didn't just set it up and try to frame me? How can you prove against that? Do you have any DMs, even if the person's name is crossed out, of them telling you about this? Or no?
I was
Like, how can
Your
you...
Honor, if I may, I
No,
was
I would have
the one who
to-
received the anonymous tip. It was
Okay.
received during a session over simple voice chat.
Yeah, but here's the thing. How can you prove that you didn't just make that up? Like, how can you prove that there's actually an anonymous tip and you didn't just make that up? Because what I could do is I could be like, I got an anonymous tip that you place that evidence to frame me,
I am under oath.
and you couldn't not prove that. Like, so I could consider that evidence invalid, therefore.
I shall take this into consideration on the record, but this does not immediately disqualify this information.
Your Honor,
Further,
may
I wanna say
bring up
something.
the actually smart
Eyewitness is
person to
under
the
oath.
stage?
Technics can very easily ask, to your knowledge, was this a setup? And I'm confident my client,
To-
my witness would say
To
no.
your knowledge,
Your Honor,
was this...
Your Honor, may I bring up someone actually intelligible? In, like-
Please wait until after the
No,
cross-examination.
no, wait, don't. Alright, don't come up, Joseph, don't come up.
Okay, where are we even at now? So how can you... Alright, you already did that.
You
But
were gonna
secondly,
ask
I want to
me?
tell you... Look back upon my videos. How many sap coins did I in total distribute?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. Because I distributed to 3 people. First, it was Og. Then, it was Mr. Llama. Which, if they're right there, they can prove that right now. And then, the third one was an attempt to get Lobby in on the coin. But, failed. Which he actually burned my coin, by the way. So therefore, in total, I distributed 3 of the sap coin. So, how would it be that I had 10? That there was 10 in total if I only
Your Honor,
distributed
if I
3.
may, the sap coin being distributed is not equal to the sap coin being manufactured, and I have already established that you had at least 34 more sap coin growing, which has been proven with video evidence. So we have established that those are legitimate sap coins. So I don't see where you're going with this.
The point is that is a frame. You have no... Mr. Ghoul can help. I want to call him up when I do my evidence. But, there is no way to prove whether or not you're just lying, because you don't have direct evidence of this anonymous person talking to you, therefore, it's invalid.
Is there a question?
Hey, I will
I'm done. I just wanted to say that.
take that into account.
Thank you.
Does
Answer.
Your Honor,
the
the plaintiff rests their
plaintiff rest their case?
I do.
And let me bring up smart guy now.
Okay, would the defense like to call their first witness to the stand?
They're not even
Yeah.
a witness, they're just smart.
No. Here, can we call out Mr. Ghoul? Because he said he wants to help, but I don't know what he wants to do.
No. Joseph's on the stage now, he's smart.
Okay, so I have been told the brief overview of this case. First off, Valor, did you tell Creeper what I...
Yes, I did,
the
I
thing.
did, and
What was the
Lobby-
response? What was the response?
Lobby was
Because the-
smart.
Okay, what did Lobby say in response to this?
He had 10 sap coin on him, and Technics promised him 3 per. 3
No,
hearts per
no,
sap
not that thing. Not that thing.
You don't know if those are mine
the
or
thing regarding the terms. The thing regarding the terms. I'll use that as like a last resort. First off, I will say, Technics, what is this? One, crazy fumbling of the case. 2, where is this video evidence exactly? And what sources and citations of evidence
Of
am
me
I going to be?
distributing
Look
3
at
of
the
it?
channel, Joseph.
Entirely. I need relative.
Sap coin lawsuit evidence.
I need
If you look through my whole video, the second one, you can
Okay,
see a total
I
of
need-
3 distributions of Sapcoin.
Okay. So if we are assuming he is manufacturing Sapcoin, right? And it was never actively harvested. If it's there, it can be there. There are, I presume, no property laws. I'm also going to gloss over the property damage that is on Lobby, because that doesn't matter in this case. But there is nothing against, I presume, unless if someone else owns that property, against manufacturing Sapcoin. That is entirely separate from it because he didn't distribute it.
Object?
It is
If
it
I
is
may
in it.
object, the sap coin that was being planted and grown, I have not pressed any charges for. The charges I am pressing are purely relevant to the sap coin we found in a barrel which had already been manufactured and named sap coin, which means they
Which you
are legal
can't-
tender.
But you can't.
But it
claim
wasn't.
as
But it
So
wasn't
is this an
distributed.
objection
But
on relevance?
it wasn't distributed. And
There's no way to prove
and
that it's legitimate.
if I may do the weirdest thing of all time and object your objection, you brought it up in the case, therefore you found it relevant. Therefore your objection of relevance doesn't make sense. If it's a detail you brought up in the case,
But I'm happy to assume there are no property laws and Technics, as long as they're not being manufactured into sapcoin, can plant as many spruce saplings as he'd like. We can continue, yes?
yes, you can. But
Thank
what's the problem with manufacturing sapcoin if the problem is distribution? If the problem is manufacturing, then it wouldn't be a law. It would, if the case would be scamming, like on scamming. If it was against manufacturing, you would also
the problem is
have
the
a different
potential
charge.
Loss. The problem is the potential loss to customers who are, in the defendant's words, gambling their hearts away.
Okay, so potential means it didn't happen, in as much as it is logistical to view it this way. Again, I'll say what I discussed with my client and their attorney prior to this. It's like the intent or the potential of someone killing someone versus someone actually killing someone. There is a drastic difference.
Sapcoin has been distributed. If free sapcoin have been distributed, which the defendant has agreed is the case,
Yes,
and
yes.
at least 10 more have been manufactured, it is fair to assume that those 10 are also going to be distributed. It's not like 0 sapcoin have been distributed.
You can't prove that
Sapcoin
those
has
10
been
were
distributed,
distributed
and
by
if
me.
I wasn't pressing charges early, they would continue to be distributed. Sapcoin
First of all-
have been distributed.
Okay,
That's not a question.
First of all, you are
Order in the court.
First of
Order
all,
in the court.
lobby, you are crazy. I never said that it wasn't distributed. First of all, I don't know where you get me saying that from. I never said it wasn't distributed. It obviously was. It would be incredibly dumb of me to say, oh yeah, the sapcoin wasn't distributed. That's what the entire case is on. No idea where you get that from. Second of all, again, my only real point is that potential is an actuality, right? Anyone can have the potential to do anything with that sapcoin. Heck, you can get on him for the point of him having 30 sapcoin in there, and it has the potential to be harvested. You can have so much
The
problems with
DEA
that.
agent found someone distribute 3 grams of meth and then found a stash of 100 grams more of meth. They would
Okay.
charge the person for distributing 3 grams of meth, whether
But
the
they wouldn't.
additional 100 grams has been distributed or not, which is exactly what is going
Whoa,
on.
whoa! My problem.
High off sapcoin.
Wait,
Your Honor.
wait.
Your Honor.
Objection
Honor.
relevance to this entire thing. Hold on. I am not saying that you should not charge for the 3. We'll go the 3, right? Because I assume it's 3. I don't know the actual number. I don't even have full details on this case. I'm doing this on a whim. But I will assume that what I've been told is accurate and true. Otherwise, it would be contempt of court. So I'm going to say that the 3 distributed are entirely separate from the ones manufactured, right? Because even if they're in the barrel, it's the potential. It didn't actually happen. You can't use the potential for evidence, and lobby, you can't argue back because you used it as a point in your case, which isn't going to do anything. Because yes, it's there, but what else does it do? If we're on the topic of this of sapcoin being distributed, and that's what you're arguing for the crime, then you're just arguing a fact. Yeah, Technics admitted.
I have 2 points.
Llama,
I
I'm
have
down
2
7.
points.
Your 2
You're not-
points.
it's
I
not
have
your
2
turn.
points,
What-
and then I will stop speaking, and you may continue. 1,
Okay, what are your 2
sapcoin
points?
has been distributed. 2, more sapcoin is being manufactured. That is all that is relevant.
And your 2 point, you're arguing
Honor.
these points
Your
as
Honor.
a case.
Your Honor.
What's the
Your Honor.
question?
Are you
I-
arguing
yes,
your 2
Technics.
points for
Uh,
your verdict?
Guys, my turn to talk. Your Honor, may I please get something off of my chest real quick?
Okay.
Um,
it's cooked. It's cooked.
Well, firstly, you can't prove that it's legitimate evidence because he said it was an anonymous tip. Yet you can't give me evidence that that conversation ever happened. Further, you don't have any audio. Further, you don't have any audio in your video to signify that it is legit. So you could have just made that up, and you would have no way of proving that it's not just made up. Like, I'd like to see you prove that you didn't just make it up. Like, how can you prove that
Prove
it's
a
legitimate?
negative. Can you prove a positive? Can you prove that it is made up? That is my question to you, Technics.
Objection. Objection relevant. Objection relevance. Hold on. Hold
The
on.
relevance
This is.
is I'm being accused. The relevance is I'm being accused of setting this up, but you are providing no evidence as to how this possibly could be a setup.
Okay,
You're
sure,
providing
maybe.
evidence as to how it
If
Well,
it's
we
a
know.
setup, prove it.
It's like touche.
Here's the
Greatest touche
thing.
of all
I
time.
need you to prove that it wasn't a setup, because I can say anything.
I can't prove a
I could
negative, Your
say-
Honor. This is an unreasonable ask.
You can prove a
I
negative
can-
and you can prove a positive, but there's no room for evidence. This is the greatest objection relevance. This isn't relevant to the 2 points Lobby
I
LC
can
made.
say.
Technics, where are you pulling this from? What is this ball knowledge? What?
All right.
Your own
No,
witness is turned against
I'm
you.
confused.
Yeah.
I'm the attorney and I'm confused.
I
I'm just
consider
the
myself
attorney
the
here.
LeBron.
Okay,
cases.
Technics,
That's
Technics,
Can I
please
continue?
take a temporary step off the stand. You are going to get yourself convicted if you continue with this.
Can I say something else though? Can I say something else?
Oh God, ref, do something.
Dude, the ref. I am the ref.
Oh, you're not.
Okay.
How can a ref
So-
get 10 technicals?
Oh, Creeper, couldn't you just say if Lobby had an anonymous tip that I had sap coins stored below my chests in a barrel under the ground? Could I just say then that I have an anonymous tip that Lobby was the one who destroyed my house?
Well, first of all, I'm not Creeper. I'm gonna say an objection hearsay. Like,
You are
hello,
Creeper.
hello.
Yeah, I will sustain that objection.
Thank you. Well,
Therefore, I feel like
overhead.
On
You
my
can
side now. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna sit back.
I'm like, over. This is so confusing. Lobby, you're arguing facts. I don't know if those are your 2 points that you're arguing for the case. Is this an argument? I mean, I was told that the argument that Sapcoin was actually a scam, but I was also told that contracts were
You know
written
what?
and
You know what,
other things were
Joseph?
drawn up.
You know what, just I can't.
feel like
that's
my-
what I
my
thought too,
lawyers are
because
against me.
Technics did not give me shit.
Technics, you are.
Dude, I gave you 3 whole things. I gave you 3 whole things.
You gave me
You
3
want
whole
me to-
things.
In
3.
this very case, I presented 10 legitimate sap coin to the defendant and was not paid the 30 heart gifts I am owed. I don't see where this is going. I
Creeper.
have proven that this
Technics,
business is a scam.
Technics, you need to understand. You know what? You
Technics,
want to know
I
when
must
you
ask
gave
you
me?
again,
You want to know when
what
you gave
is
me
the
the
I'm
free
considering.
Who is
You
your
wanna know-
witness? Where are you going with this?
Technics is his own witness. Technics is his own witness. Technics is he's representing himself.
Okay,
Tell
okay.
you
In the
when
trial,
you
yeah.
gave me this damn evidence. Look, you gave me 3
Dude, check
pieces
your
of evidence.
DMs.
Yes.
Check DMs.
You gave me that. You gave me that yesterday, a day before the trial.
Okay, my thing, Technics. What are we arguing? What is the case? What is the case? Because Lobby, you're arguing
Alright.
2 points that have been stated by the defendant.
I'll give you a breakdown. So
Please,
apparently,
okay. Break
we
it down
went
for me.
over the fact that I distributed 3 in total, right?
Which
And you're-
which you admitted. Which you admitted.
yeah, which I admitted.
Okay, I am going to call a 5-minute recess just for
Can I
council to
please finish
convene.
my thing?
Please,
'Cause I
dog.
keep-
I'm so
Can I just
confused.
finish
What
this?
the-
Because I need to. Please, can you?
I'm going to call a 5-minute recess. We can break out into separate VCs, and you
Yeah,
guys
dog,
can
please,
hash
I
out
need-
your points.
I need to figure out what. I need to thank you, Keeper. I need to figure out what my defendant is doing. Lobby LC, you are a great prosecution. I'm gonna say that because
What do you mean? I gave slam dunk ball knowledge.
Technics,
and I'm
Technics,
Bro, switch
Technics.
sides.
I'm
Appreciate
gonna have
it.
Technics. I'm gonna have a long talk with you, Technics.
My lawyers
Look,
are
Technics,
against me, bro.
Technics, you've got 5 minutes, use them well. Go talk to your counsel.
All right,
Figure something out, because
let's
your
go, gang.
case is a mess, my friend.
It's not a mess, bro. But my lawyers keep. All right, you know what? No. We're gonna talk. We're gonna talk.
I would recommend you go convene with your counsel.
Okay, so recess.
I want to talk in this stage. What do you mean? It'd be so funny if we were to start talking in the stage. Oh, it would have been amazing. Bomb versus coughing baby number. So about to do something. I'm gonna have... Hey! Okay, see ya. Fine. I have a plan. No one happens to be Grafey now, would they? Defense serves an equal chance to testify. Whose house is this? Now I'm gonna hurry up now. How do I do this right?
Wait, oh, I'm on Discord. Asher, block that up. I see that TNT. You're not slick. If you will die.
No. You took a lot of bones. Shouldn't have wanted us.
Whoever picked up the sap coin, if you could give it to Technics, as that was the intention, I'd appreciate that.
All right. First of all, I wanna say, I have received fairly damning evidence for this case. I have received very, very, very interesting evidence that honestly will turn the case into.
Can we wait a second?
Judge.
2 things. One, I need a piss. 2, Technics isn't on the stage yet.
Okay. Judge, you may declare the start of the trial whenever you feel, as I believe it is still defense cross-examination, or is it defense direct?
Yeah. We will, yeah, we're gonna finish up the, defense, direct, and then go into the, plaintiff, cross.
Okay, so defense direct. Wait, no, plaintiff already rested their case. It's defense direct. Lobby declared plaintiff rest of the case. So it's defense.
He did rest his case. So it's our turn to view evidence.
Yeah, you were called up as the first defense
So
witness.
Technics.
You know what to do.
Technics. This
Are we
direct
starting right now?
examination.
Starting
I
right
will
now.
I will be waiting momentarily for Valor to get back, but I will be prepping
Your
my.
Honor, I had a
Okay.
nice piss.
This is the part where Lobby shivers in his boots.
Okay.
I'm about to
Okay.
say.
Technics. I have been told that the owner of not only this Discord server, but also Scuff Secret Life, has
And the
told you
judge.
that, and the judge told you that this process that you are doing right now is legal under the server rules. Is this true?
I'm gonna just go with yes. That's probably what you
Okay. And correct me if I'm wrong.
I'll correct you.
The server rules. Valor, if you may read them out for, I assume the audience is the jury to hear.
Yes.
Jury on this
Rule
case. It's up to
1,
the
the
judge.
max team cap is 4, which we did not break. Reds may only attack through their tasks, none of us are red. Trapping your own base as a yellow or green is allowed, we did not trap our own base. Any amount of enchants are allowed.
And
We
if
cannot
you
break
may,
that rule.
object to this is hearsay.
And the last bit, if you have any issues, talk to a moderator.
First of all, I would like to direct my attention to the plaintiff, not in any bad way. Did you contact a moderator before starting this case? Did you
For what reason?
follow the rules per se? Under the reason of a problem which is clearly presented to be had. Not that it matters that much. if you did.
Yes, I approached Creeper. I said I would like to file a lawsuit against Technics, and here we are. I don't have the right to start this court case. Creeper was the one who approved it.
So I'd love to ask you, under what laws are we filing this case? There are no laws directly stated in this.
The
What laws are being filed in this case?
just because something isn't listed doesn't mean it can be unestablished rather than allowed. Anything that isn't listed doesn't automatically make it allowed. It just means
It's not
hasn't been
it's not
properly
unestablished. It's
established yet.
undeclared. It's never been written. It is not unestablished. It is not written.
You have the-
Exactly.
Not
So
there.
I
video.
am pressing the charges. It should be written. If someone comes along and
It
asks
is-
for hearts with the intention of scamming other players, there is a problem with that, and I am here on behalf of those people to get justice.
And which people, if there are more than one, because I believe there are. There's obviously a reason you're arguing with this.
That would be Hog, any other investors of Sapcoin, and myself.
Which is 3, mind you.
Okay.
Not you, because you didn't accept my Sapcoin ever.
Are you
I
aware?
have redeemed 10 Sapcoin. I have redeemed
you-
10 Sapcoin.
I am going to Valor. I'm going to pull the funny
Can I
card.
screen share?
I'm gonna pull the funny card here.
Can
Are
I
you
screen share?
aware of Valor screen share first, and then if you guys are not appeased,
It
I'm
is
gonna
the
appease.
it is the thing that we just talked about and had like
This
that entire
This
revelation.
is what you'd call the slam dunk of.
Before you show any evidence, you must propose it. Please propose what evidence you are about to share.
Okay.
You want me to
okay.
propose?
May
What
I
I'm about.
propose
We,
some
we,
evidence?
we propose raw video
Why is
evidence
it relevant
as
to the case?
as
Why
our
is it
first
relevant
exhibit.
to the
It
case?
is relevant to the
Oh
case.
shoot!
It is relevant to the case
Blueberry
because
just died.
No.
it directly
Oh.
provides context to a statement that I previously made to the witness, aka
Joseph-
Technics,
Joseph,
aka.
wait a second. Someone just final died.
Okay.
I think I know what you're gonna propose, and this is gonna be pretty funny.
This is in the first statement of a recorded video that has been published.
Alright.
Anyone I
gonna
believe
screen
has
share
permission to view it.
I
And this is
moved out of the
relevant.
way.
It's relevant to the case because it proves a core point that has been presented. Valor, take it away.
Screen shares up. Make sure it's not muted.
Valor, hello, Valor sibling.
Crazy.
Can I
Yeah.
sell some?
Why is it so quiet?
Cryptocurrency on the
can you turn
server,
Uh,
like accept
so-
lives.
whatever you want to do, you can just go for it, as long as it's not like against one of the explicitly stated rules I have.
And in case you couldn't tell, there is nothing against these explicitly stated rules. Nothing
But there
that.
should be, and that is the purpose.
But
of
there's
this case.
not.
The purpose
But there's
of
not.
This case is to establish it.
Then you take it as a message you do not sue someone. And that's
Okay.
me getting into my second point
Under this ground, before you continue, under this ground, I may respond here. Under this ground, you are saying that anything that is not clarified in the rules is automatically allowed. Are you sure you want to go through with
No,
that?
I am saying anything that is not accounted in rules needs to be asked before sued. I'm saying there should be a secondary process before suing. What is the punishment for this?
And
by the way, I'm curious.
I proposed Creeper,
Death penalty, that's
who
what it
was
is.
the one who, as you just showed, Creeper was the one who initially said if it's not against the rules, you may go ahead and try.
Yes.
And I proposed Creeper, and I said, well, I disagree with this. I believe the rules should be established, and I believe that the defendant scamming players is not a right thing to do, and I would like to press charges, which Creeper also allowed. Correct me if I am wrong.
Okay.
So we
what's
are in the same position here. Yes, Creeper originally said go ahead and do Sapcoin. I am saying I don't think Sapcoin is a good idea, and Creeper has said go ahead and press charges. So this case has a reason to exist.
By
This
the
case
way-
has been approved.
Objection relevance to
Just
my initial
letting all
question.
you guys know.
Yeah.
If you want to call me to the stand as a witness, it is not against this. You can if you want.
Good to know. Also, objection relevance, Lobby. I asked what the punishment for this was with the sentence. I did not ask for a restatement of your motive.
The relevance is you are trying to dismiss this case on the grounds of Creeper allowed it, but Creeper also allowed this case. So it contradicts you.
I can still say objection relevance. You have not answered the question that I
Public
previously
What is the
asked.
question? What is the question?
For the third time, what is the punishment? What is the sentence? What are we aiming?
Death sentence. That's
I
what he
have
said.
clarified this earlier. If you are missing that context, that's on you for not listening.
He
We
was
have
not
the-
here.
I was not here. I have been here for 10 minutes. What do you mean it's on me? I haven't been here the entire time. Oh, hell
The
no.
charges being pressed are the immediate abolishment of Sapcoin and the immediate loss of 30 hearts from the defendant for the 10 Sapcoin I have presented today. Each is worth 3 heart gifts. This has been established and proven.
So you are giving him the death sentence, correct?
No, I am giving what is legally owed to me. If that
But
results
you are-
in the loss of a life,
but you
that
are
results
killing
in the loss
him
of a life.
Your Honor.
via this to
I
get the death
have-
sentence.
I have the legal tender for that payment. That payment is owed. I don't see why. If he loses a life from it, he loses a life from it. That's not relevant. This isn't the
That
case
is
of
absolutely
his life.
relevant. That is
This is the
absolutely
case of-
relevant.
This
Your
is
Honor.
the case of the money which is owed.
Your Honor, can I state something?
Money?
Yeah, order in the court. This has gotten a bit out of hand.
Your Honor.
Yes,
I would
what
like
do you
to
want to say?
clarify how there's no concrete proof that those 10 sap coins were specifically mine. Therefore, it's invalid of you to ask for a refund if they were never claimed by me.
I already said objection hearsay, bro. The evidence is he sustained it too, so it's like it's already kind of not a thing. Like already ignored. Techniques. What are we doing?
Therefore, why would you charge me 30 hearts?
Also, if this is on the case of money, I assume that the hearts are currency. I guess in this scenario, gonna go off the awkward limb of context. Correct me if I'm wrong.
The heart gifts are the currency. Technics has
Heart
offered
is
3
currency.
hearts for. Yeah, Technics has offered 3 heart gifts for
I
each
offered-
sap coin. I had 10 sap coins, so I
No, I
I've
d-
returned
No,
those
I
10
don't.
sap coins,
No, I don't.
and I've asked for 30 heart gifts.
Can I ask to see that evidence
you give
where I told you
Hey,
that?
question, Lobby LC. Question.
The
you
evidence
did,
is in the evidence.
Lobby. You did get those 10 sap coins through the barrel in the house, correct?
You don't know if that
Correct.
was my barrel. Like, how do you know someone didn't plant that there? Like, you can't prove that. You cannot prove that.
That's gained through not directly through Technics. Technics, he offered it to you at some point, but not those specific sap coins. Those that
Yeah.
you got those not legally.
In fact, you
We
stole. What the
established
heck? You just
earlier
stole.
on-
Yeah,
Kill
you
him.
guys
We
stole.
established earlier on.
Thou shalt not
We
steal,
established
dude.
earlier
You
on.
damn
If you keep
crook.
talking over me, I'm just gonna keep saying it. If you keep talking over me, I'm gonna keep saying it. We established earlier on that returning a sap coin to Technics entitles the bearer to free heart gifts. That doesn't. That can't be conditional. It is legal tender. I have acquired the legal tender, which is relevant to this case. I have returned that legal tender, and I'm not being paid what that legal tender entitles me to. If I am not being paid, regardless, it's
Did
not
you-
legal tender.
Lobby.
Which means this case deserves to exist.
Lobby, did you sacrifice anything I'll be blunt. Sacrifice anything for Sapcoin, or did you just get it
Lobby.
and then
I did not
refunded it?
sacrifice anything for Sapcoin.
Lobby.
Then, under the, because I'm going to, again, I don't have the full context because I wasn't here at the start, and I half know what we're arguing. If we are saying on this argument that it is a scam, I assume that's what we're arguing, and that's why you want refunded. Dictionary definition of a scam is, and I quote, and yes, this is relevant, and I will explain after, a dishonest
I
scheme
can't hear
to
you.
gain.
This is like.
What the Valor? What the?
It
is.
So
it
he's
is.
like dragging me into the jury.
What?
So
it
he's
is.
dragging me
It
because
is.
they want to speak.
It is, and I quote, a dishonest scheme to gain money or possessions from someone fraudulently, especially a complex or prolonged one. What did Technics gain
It's
from
not
Bobby?
fraudulent because.
What did
it's
Technics
not
gain from you? What did Technics gain from If Sapcoin is a scam, prove to me the point. What did Technics gain from you?
I
What
am
did he
not
gain
the victim here. I am the one
Did he
pressing
gain?
charges.
Did he gain something from anyone? Did he gain something from anyone?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Don't even-
Yes. Yes.
What was gained?
Yes. Thank
What
you
was
very
gained?
much for asking that, because now
What
it's
was gained?
relevant. People
What
have
was gained?
invested in Sapcoin. They have
Free
upfront
people.
paid Technics of Heart for their Sapcoin. Free people who have not been given
Lobby.
free heart gifts in return. Thank you
Lobby.
very
Okay.
much for asking that question. We have
It's-
now established
it's-
that it is in
it's-
fact a scam. Thank you.
Can I please
It's
speak?
good.
Can I please-
It is good that it is relevant because
Okay.
now I have the context that there are people, and I assume during your direct, because your direct happened, I'm pretty sure, you called up these witnesses and you direct examined them, right? If not, then Lobby, what you just said, would classify as hearsay because there is no structure.
No, it doesn't because
under-
because the defendant has testified that he has.
Yeah, he has
free
given
people
it.
invest in Sapcoin.
He
The
has
defendant
he has given it.
testified to that.
Yes,
Can I
but the
speak?
details
Can
of
I
the
please
investment.
speak?
Oh God, Technics. Okay, Cook. I'll trust you. I'll trust you.
Okay, thank you.
He is
Firstly, I
burning it.
want to say that if you look back at the evidence that you posted of me stating that quote unquote 1 Sapcoin is equal to 3 hearts, I'd like you to rewatch that and then tell me exactly what I said. If not, I
No,
could restate it for you. I did not
I
say.
am aware that you stated it is a special offer for me and me specifically.
No,
which is why I have retrieved 10 Sapcoin.
No. And based off the video, I said, quote unquote, that I'll give you 3 Sapcoin. I'll give you 3 Sapcoin. I didn't say 1 Sapcoin would equal to 3 hearts. I said I'd give you 3 Sapcoin. I've never made that offer to anybody. I'd give you 3 Sapcoin. That is not the same as me saying that Sapcoin is worth 3 hearts. Further,
Wait,
in that
are we-
video,
Are we gonna assume
Hold on real
that?
quick.
Are we gonna assume that no other evidence has been inserted in the court record minus the videos in the Sapcoin lawsuit evidence? Am I to assume that?
Yes,
Sure.
sir. It depends
Because
on
now,
the context.
Yes, that is all the evidence that has been added to the record.
Can I just
Oh,
can I speak?
okay. This is. I'm gonna get an.
Wait,
aneurysm
hold on.
now.
Yeah, he literally. He says, "I'll give you 3 Sapcoins, not 3 hearts per Sapcoin."
Yeah, you lied about that information. You lied.
So currency rate. So currency rate was never clarified.
Yeah, I never said
I
3
will.
hearts per
I will
Sapcoin.
quote the defendant earlier. I will quote the defendant from earlier on this session. I said, "Did you or did you not offer me free heart gifts per Sapcoin?" And you said you did.
I said no.
Is there?
That is your testimony. You said yes.
I said I didn't.
Is this
I
being
said I didn't.
recorded, clipped, or anything in any way? Is this
I'm
being?
live. I'm
Sylvie's
live, my friend.
recording.
You're live.
You're
Okay.
live?
You're live. Good. Thank you.
So like,
Please clip me a
But
part of that
further-
if you can. If not, that's
Mr.
fine.
I
Send me
don't think I can. I don't think I can go back in.
Send me it
Christopher?
after. Add me. Send me it after on the VOD.
Your
I still
Honor?
want all this evidence.
Your Honor, there
Good.
is someone who is wanting to come up onto the stand, and I think they have enough.
That's a separate witness. If you would like to end this line of questioning to call a different witness, you may do so.
I will-
but that ends your
I
line
will
of
have to
questioning.
say-
You
No,
cannot
the
have
thing is-
multiple
the thing is-
witnesses at once. The person you are questioning right now is me. If you would like to question someone else, you must end this line of questioning.
Valor-
I'm not bringing them up. I am bringing up the that they would like to come up. I am not wanting them up.
He's bringing them up to the
Then
stage,
now
not
is
up.
not
He-
the
not
time to
up to the
ask.
stand. Bringing them up to the stage, not up to the stand. Two different things. Also, I really only want to keep questioning you, Lobby, because I want to actually understand. I've been
Right
doing
off
this
the-
on like the
I
greatest
never
half-ass
gave
thing
you.
of my
I
life.
never gave you those 10 sap coins either. You stole those sap coins, so you can't
Yes,
claim them.
that's the
anyways.
point.
It doesn't
I tried to
matter.
make
They're
earlier.
legal. They're legal tender. That's not. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
I never gave them to you. Further,
Wait,
you
if
never
you're-
gifted me the hearts that it cost.
If
for a
you're
sap coin.
arguing,
Owe
if
me
you're
10 hearts.
arguing, no, Lobby, you're not arguing that you are getting scammed, right? Are you arguing that
arguing
you?
that
No,
it
but
is-
I
Are you-
am arguing on behalf of those who have.
You're arguing on behalf.
In
okay.
which I am using the same legal tender with the legal tender that they were scammed with. It's the same legal tender. If you put their sap coin and my sap coin together, they will stack. So
It's the same it's the same tender, but you can't say, oh, I got this 10 sap coin from this barrel. That technically didn't give me. I should be owed.
if you
X.
want to press charges, press charges against me for breaking and entering, you go ahead. But by doing
I
that,
don't- I
understand
will
that you are
I
then
don't-
admitting that those are legal tender.
I never plan on pressing charges. You are jumping
I never
the
planned on
gun.
pressing charges.
Then
You are
what
jumping
is
the gun.
your
I
question?
am
Then
simply
what
making.
We're
is
not
your
admitting
I am.
that that's a legal tender.
Those
by
aren't
Calm
you
down.
Making
I
and
don't
owe
entering
you.
her home.
One, calm down. Two, I was never making a question. I was making a statement. So we can move that out of the way. That entire thing. That is good to know. Technics. We could be done about the barrel. It doesn't mean relative to the case.
Your Honor, I
'Cause-
believe the case is now shifting from the subject of Sapcoin to the subject of me breaking and entering. Can we
Oh,
hurry this
no,
up?
the thing is,
We
like,
can
you look-
we
I feel
can
like I've
move
been
this
being
over.
questioned for a very long time.
Well,
but I've
we-
been
we
questioned
have just
like 20
admitted
minutes.
to
Yeah,
committing
I'm
a
going to
crime.
say, I'm going to say, Lobby LC is not the witness in question at this moment. If you want to question him further, you can call them to the stand as one of your three
Your
witnesses.
Honor, he just admitted to committing a crime.
That
No,
doesn't
I
matter.
said
that
the
that,
case
that doesn't
is
matter.
shifting. I said
That
the
that doesn't
subject
matter
of
in the middle of
case
the
is
trial. That doesn't matter in the middle
Bobby,
of the trial.
those were never your sap coins.
The
You should never
the
have
only
stolen that.
the only crime that would matter in the middle of the trial is contempt of court, which I don't have enough context to prove that Lobby is doing, except for the alleged anonymous tip that was mentioned earlier, which I've been told that there is no evidence and record of, but an objection of relevance was already sustained for that. So I will assume that that is not to be brought up, because that is pointless. Correct? Lobby, are we on the same page here?
Wasn't paying much attention. I was following up on the rules. And
Are we dead?
Jack has just said something actually that completely clears me. Stealing is legal. So on
Jack-
to the
No,
next point. On to
Jack
your
is
next-
Jack
on
is
to the
not
next
Jack,
point.
Jack is
Stealing
not
is legal, then
Jack
let
was
him
not
take
called
it.
up to the stand. Jack was not called to the stand. He is not an official witness. And if might I like to say, is Jack involved in this case in any way? Does that
Gotta
hold
call
relevance?
to the
Because
stand,
if that doesn't hold relevance, that's not
That's
important.
my point.
Disregard
Yeah.
what Jack said. I am telling you that stealing is legal. I obtained that legal tender in legal ways. I am owed what it is worth, which we have established from earlier testimony is
Joseph.
30 heart gifts.
Joseph, the point has been brought up. If stealing is legal, then scamming should be too, no? That reasoning has been
It
brought
doesn't
up.
clarify that in the rules, which
Technically,
is the point of
scamming
this
is
case.
I mean, if we're going off of it doesn't clarify that in the rules, this court case wouldn't be happening.
Exactly.
So I would like to say that. I would also like to say, if it doesn't clarify in the rules, this is a civil case. This is a civil case.
Okay, I'm
This-
going to everybody order in the court, quiet. If you wish to elaborate on this point, you may do so in your closing argument or when you are questioning a witness about this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. Valor, do you want to bring? Oh wait, Silly left. Oh shit. Well, there she goes. Do you want to bring anyone else up to the stand, or are we going?
How many rounds is that for the
Hmm.
defense? Is that 2 out of 3 done? Because this is
I
getting
don't even know.
messy.
None of my original evidence is even being used, so. I don't
This
know.
is
Well,
the-
your
cl-
first line of questioning, was yourself. You put yourself on the stand. Then you questioned me. So you've done 2. So you've got 1 more round. I believe that's correct, Your Honor.
Do we need another round of questioning, or can we? Is it closing after this?
You don't need it if you want to.
I mean, there's a
rest the case,
few
rest the case.
witnesses.
I don't think
You
it's
could
proven.
call Llama to the
Mr. Gould.
stand. You could call me to the stand if you want to clarify some things. You could call anybody else here to the stand if
No,
you
yeah.
want.
I'm gonna call Creeper to the stand. I need to get some things about this clarified. I need to get way too much clarified. Creeper, get up here. Alright, number 3. You ready?
Yes, I am ready.
He's there with Eddie's
Okay,
here.
first of all, this is going to be more technical things, so be ready for some stupid shit. You are aware that plaintiff is a civil
yes,
term.
he's aware. He's aware.
aware.
I already
Tyler,
got that.
this is
Yes,
not your time to
plaintiff
talk.
is a civil term.
Yes, and you are aware that I have missed the context for the sentence, and that I would like to be informed for this. And if you respond with a positive response, yes, affirmative.
What was that
Spanish,
again? I can't hear over some people having a conversation. Let me just mute real fast.
Oi,
If you-
get everyone over here! Shut the fuck up!
Okay, dog. If
Okay, could
you
you
are
repeat that?
you are aware that I have missed context to what the sentence is, and if you answer yes, to
yes,
this
I am
question,
aware. They have missed context.
may you clarify what the goal of this is? If you
So it sounds like the goal of this trial is to get 30 hearts from Technics as compensation for Sapcoin.
and can these 30 hearts
If I
be?
may add, the abolishment of Sapcoin.
Yeah,
yes,
that's
that as well.
fine. That's fine.
I wouldn't mind that. Just the abolishment, nothing else. I won't sell any more Sapcoin. You don't
Are
want me
you aware?
We had a settlement agreement and you denied. It's too late to talk that.
Are you aware? Technics. What was your settling agreement? I missed this.
I didn't
was the
settle
settlement?
on anything.
The
He offered me.
the settlement agreement hasn't been brought into this case. It was mentioned in a previous session and it was laughed off. So I mentioned that it was addressed and then
Yeah,
moved on.
there's no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are also aware that I assume that the evidence, most of this evidence hasn't been logged since it's literally just videos and screenshots. That things like the Genius Act and the FIT 21 Act are applicable to this case and can be used in my closing argument due to their relevance to cryptocurrency as a whole category. You are aware of this information. And if you would like for me to read the cases out to you, I gladly will.
If you want to post the relevant evidence from those into the evidence channel, you can do that just so everybody can see it.
I am not
refer
able
to it.
to send anything in the Sapcoin
Okay,
lawsuit
I'll give you the
channel.
role to do that.
Okay, this is tough.
Sorry, you're just gonna copy and paste that.
Oh wait, I accidentally clicked the wrong
Some of
thing.
that
I
needs
accidentally moved
my
into
stuff.
audience. I'm dumb.
What the flip, guys?
I
I
got
meant
the
to look at his
best.
profile to see if he had the role.
I got the
Looks like-
best team.
Oh yeah,
I
you
know,
have
yeah.
the Snapcoin
Don't.
lawsuit
I-
role now, so you can post evidence.
I would have preferred if I could know, because it seems that Lobby is a bit more knowledgeable on this than I am. I'm getting skilled here, but you got it.
Definitely not.
Your Honor, a last-minute council change is at no fault of my own. I would like to clarify. I shouldn't
It is.
be held.
I am not. I'm not saying it is your fault. I am saying that I just said skilled if. I literally said skilled if. I don't know
I'm
where it's coming
just clarifying that your lack of knowledge / evidence in your words does not mean that my evidence is like you are not referring to my evidence because you have not seen it. You were not here the whole time. But that's not on me. The evidence has been presented.
The evidence
My
has been
evidence
presented.
also
Digging in the
includes
ground.
testimony from my witnesses, mainly the defendant,
Hello.
which I've used against him. And if you weren't here to hear that, that doesn't mean it didn't happen. Like
I never said that. You are getting ideas that are way out
okay,
there,
You may continue.
and that's fine. That's a reasonable response, honestly.
A radical.
And with that, I believe after this it is the plaintiff closing argument. Bauer, do you have anything else you want to continue on?
Keep in mind, you can ask me any questions you want about anything while I'm on the stand.
Creeper. Or, Your Honor, pardon. So... What is Ojed talking about? Your Honor. So... I would... Yeah, I'm fucking dumb. Yeah, you can... I don't know what to say.
Okay. What is legally binding in this server? I guess I'll go broad. What is legally binding? Air quotes.
Could you elaborate on that?
As Lobby LC has stated, they are pressing charges not for themselves, but also contradicted and said that by stealing being legal, they are pressing charges technically for themselves. I won't get into that because of them not liking that the rules aren't directly declared that Sapcoin would be a scam. Where is this legally binded to be able to happen? Because there has to be a system in place for this suing to be happen. I'd like to say that it's not just hey, can I sue this guy for X, which is something I don't prefer, and you say yes. Because if it's just that, that's a whole other can of worms.
I feel like this has been asked and answered. Like, Sapcoin was born on the grounds of Technics asked Creeper if he could do it, and Creeper said, go ahead if it's not against the rules. I asked Creeper if I could sue Technics for Sapcoin, and he said, go ahead if it's not against the rules. The reason this lawsuit is able to exist is the same reason Sapcoin was able to exist. So, is there a new question here, or are you just repeating what you've already asked me?
I am repeating it in a different context. I
Then
never.
I object asked and answered.
You can't object asked and answered because I never mentioned what it was binded to. I was asking what was asked, not how it actually relates to the case. Like if it's legally binded to the rules, just say that. Because it sounds like it's just binded to the rules.
Yeah, in this case, legally binding is in the context of the rules of the server. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I would. Oh God, Technics, you don't do it. You don't do it.
I'm asking if I can say the closing statement.
Well, first we go to
if you rest your case,
the plaintiff cross if they wish to have
I
one.
would reluctantly like to rest my case.
Okay, would the plaintiff wish to cross?
Sure, okay. May I have just a moment to think about this? I need to figure out how I'm going to phrase this.
Get off your chest as quick as possible.
I'm seeing the craziest shit.
You know what?
Something
I
unhinged.
feel like
Put
the
this
only
in the
thing
logs.
that's been established.
Put this in the
I feel like the
log.
only thing that's been established from this witness is the same thing that was asked and answered to me already, and that is why is this lawsuit here, and that's been dismissed. So I don't think there's anything to say here. Like, okay, my one question for you, Creeper, as a witness, not as the judge. Well, sorry, I guess. Well,
as both.
I guess you are both. So yeah, you are both. So okay, did
Yeah, this is very
you or
weird.
did you not? Did you or did you not give me explicit permission to file this lawsuit?
I did give you permission to file this lawsuit
I have other
under
questions.
the same permission that I gave Technics, which I think in
Thank you.
both cases I stated you could do it if it wasn't against the rules, if you were ready to accept all consequences.
And that's an important clause right there. If you are prepared to accept all consequences. So Sapcoin wasn't originally against the rules. I agree. I agree that wasn't already established. I'm here to establish it. That's the point of this. But the important clause there is as long as you are prepared to accept all consequences. This is the consequence of Sapcoin. You scam players, I file a lawsuit against you, and now you have to pay the price. That is the consequence.
Of all consequences was not mentioned in the video. I'd like to bring that up. It was only against the rules. There was nothing.
Yeah, I know. If I knew there was consequences, I wouldn't have done it. Obviously.
There was a bit of a back and forth, I think over Slash messages when you originally asked me about that.
And this wasn't presented as evidence. Was it?
I don't have an exact timestamp, but I do believe Creeper does state in Technics' video that he may create Sapcoin for as long as it's not against the rules, as long as he's prepared to accept any and all consequences. Yeah.
Oh, look at my video.
That last clause.
This is the consequence.
Stay with me now.
No.
I am
No.
unsure that last clause is there. I am unsure.
Replay
I am
it. You
unsure.
never said the last part about consequences.
I am not talking about that
Creeper
conversation.
has just
I am talking about a
Creeper has
different,
just
the original
testified.
Slash message.
I don't think you ever mentioned
Conversation.
anything about...
Creeper has just testified though, so I don't see where you're going with this, because Creeper has just testified that Sapcoin and my lawsuit went under the same grounds of you can do it
Yes.
as long as it's not against the rules, as long as you are prepared to face the consequences. That's correct, right? So we have established that is the case, and that is what applies to Sapcoin. in Creeper's own testimony.
Why
So-
do you? Oh,
Yes, on the very iffy
Oh,
ground.
that's an
I'll
awesome
give.
thing you got right there.
I'll like. Yeah, in a really
thank you.
interesting
Yeah.
way.
I'll totally gift you a heart, Chad.
I have to do something.
Hang on.
So, do you?
I have no
rest your-
further questions. So if we're ready to move on to closing statements, Technics has rested his case.
So would
Technically,
the
my lawyer's
plaintiff
by the way.
wish to proceed to their closing statement?
Yes, I would. Give me one moment. Okay. So I did write this in advance. We've gone back and forth with the argument, but I'm going to stay under the assumption that what has been established has been established. I'll keep this short and sweet. The defendant's inability to pay me today for the legal tender he's asking others to pay for undeniably proves that Sapcoin is nothing less than a scam. I once again ask that Sapcoin be abolished and the defendant lose 30 hearts before leaving the courtroom today for the 10 Sapcoin I earlier presented, because only then will justice be served to those who fell victim to the defendant's illegal behavior. This isn't a punishment of death, it's a punishment of payment. If death is in the process, it's in the process. I'm not asking for a death sentence. I'm asking for payment. Thank you.
Now I have to freaking mentally write a closing argument. Oh, I haven't done this in a while. Oh, give me a second. Oh
Wasn't this
shit.
Fowler's job?
Yes, but I got drafted, dog. First round.
Also, Lama, I'd like to say I've been preparing this for 2 weeks. I did not use ChatGPT.
Oh, what the shit?
I didn't do that
either. Okay.
I never.
2 days
I've
of
been
two
sweating. I've been sweating.
14
bro.
days of prep time. 14 days of prep time versus 2 hours. Guys, I think I'm getting tipped.
I never use ChatGPT.
I have to mentally think of a closing argument. Oh shit.
Can I just do it? Because you have the evidence, but I can just state it.
I do, but
I know it's not what you're stating, but I will say anyway because it's kind of relevant here. I think the defense had an equal amount of time as I did. I was very clear about this case being filed. So if the counsel did change last minute, and I know you're not accusing anything, but if the counsel did change last minute, meaning you had less time to prepare, then the counsel were given time. That is what I'm saying. So
yeah,
if you don't have a closing statement, I can't really.
I have a closing statement.
Can't really help you there.
Yeah, I don't think I can be blamed
Can
on
I
this.
can I say my closing statement?
Yes, technically.
Dollar knows what to do. In conclusion, because of the invalidability of your claim about having the 10 SAP coins, and because of the evidence presented and how you specifically stated how it is legal for me to do, without mentioning the consequences, I say that I am innocent and I don't deserve to die, because that's where you've always been wrong about me, Lobby. I'm as innocent as anyone. I dream of a greener world, I worry about our economy's future, and I wake up every morning, and despite not knowing what to do, I put one coin in front of another, and I try to make the best choices I can. I share Sapcoin not for power or profit, but to plant seeds of change, both on the server and on the earth itself. And I mess up all the
And it's
time.
benefited nobody but
That's
you,
what makes me
Technics.
human. That's my greatest strength. And someday I hope that for the sake of the world,
This is ChatGPT.
that you'll see
This is a motivational speech.
our next nature is your greatest strength too. Lobby LC. Rest my case.
What the hell is this shit? What? I was not aware I was defending this. I don't even know half of this. I want to add my piece to the closing argument. I'm gonna go to more analytical off of this. Ignoring the entire Lobby LC don't do this, you have a heart part in the back half.
Tyler, you never played the thing.
I would like to believe that my client is not guilty under not only the Genius Act of 2025, which states that Sapcoin qualifies as a stablecoin, which clarifies for itself, and yes, this was brought up. I did mention this, so this is very much relevant to the case and into my closing argument. That Sapcoin.
There's trap. Okay, well, yeah, we're good.
Why are they trying to
Just
do
be wary of
stuff to
that.
this?
Continue. Sorry, they're trying to.
No, it's so I was like, what's happening? That is a beta test, which is clarified by apparent evidence that there has been a note/letter saying that Sapcoin was signed on the 14th of September 2025. This alone can verify that there is information that is additional that clients could have had the conscious choice to ask for, and if I'm not mistaken, Technics brought up the potentiality of having and showing. And this altogether, along with very ambiguous. One second, I have to talk to my brother real quick. I need to pause my cozy hour and talk to my sibling.
Oh, Valor, can you play?
Okay, I'm back now. I'm back now. 1 second, Preston.
Oh my goodness.
Preston, please. I'm trying to defend someone. This.
You've presented your evidence. I've presented mine. I can't object to what you're saying here. It's evidence. It's been presented. But
Absolutely.
This evidence has been presented. Now is not the time to refer to evidence just to close on what you're saying. So, you know.
I was going to wrap it up before my brother asked me to jump in the swimming pool.
Your Honor.
And all this lack of clarification, this very, I would like to say, my end, just because I didn't know a lot about it, very murky case that has some very blurred lines, unclear things, and things that tie together, make it so my client, Technics, should not be guilty, and instead should only be facing, if at most, a compromise I'm willing to reach is the abolishment of Sapcoin. Thank you, Your Honor, for having me here. Thank you, Valor, for inviting me. And that is my closing statement.
Valor, play the closing song because it
Okay,
ended and
fine.
everyone's the happy ending. Hang on, I'm trying to get out.
I can't wait for this to get this.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, my name's
Alright,
Alex.
I'm back.
Stop.
She's a gold digger. I just want her for the night. She like
Insert cash or select payment type.
took a dude on the rap game and didn't even like, I'm so pretty. If I got married, I'd be considered.
Guys, mute Valor. There's a mute button.
Yeah, I muted it.
I'm going stupid.
Guys, can
I
we
gotta
just finish
relearn my
this,
ABCs, and I got the dribble.
So, after considering all the evidence in this case, I believe that the intent to distribute of the 10 Sapcoin found has not been established.
I had to deafen.
He's literally just the opening half of the verdict. You missed nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I believe that the intent to distribute of the 10 Sapcoin has not been established. However, the verdict in this case shall be that Technics shall pay out 1 heart to each of the people that have legally bought a Sapcoin, and Sapcoin shall be blanking on the word.
Abolished?
Yeah, abolished.
Like, yeah.
All right, thank you to again.
You gotta say the thing, creeper.
And then Valor can play the music because it's like
Good case
the end.
Good case from everyone. Lobby. I didn't take anything personal. I hope you didn't either. I don't think you did. So we seem like a very nice
So
person.
good, so good.
Very
This is
tough.
Minecraft, bruh.
Thing I've ever
Very tough. It's
experienced in
Minecraft.
my life, bro. This is so
Actually tough.
But sorry, I would like to clarify because you haven't said you have set the charges, but you have not decided on a guilty or not guilty verdict. I need this for my satisfaction.
Oh yeah,
Based on the fact that the
Technics
charges, I think we know what it is.
is guilty.
GG!
However, it is a lesser sentence.
Bobby, you never. Valor, I need you to move. I need you to move,
That's
Valor.
fine. That's fine. I will accept that as long as that
Court is adjourned.
Valor, I need you to move.
Yes.
Valor, I need you to
Thank
go down.
God that's over.
Alright, I got
Wait,
stuck here.
GG's.
Valor, play it. Play it. Valor's muted again, probably.
No, I got someone took me off the stage.
So
I
what
can
are the
play it
chances
now.
that this
Play
is
it, and then
just-
then I'll leave. I'll like.
Bruh. Oh my god, how do I be out of? Nope. Get me off the stage. Okay, thank god. GG's.
Oh boy.
I am back.
Have fun
Hello.
with the block.
Welcome back. The case just ended.
Is it safe?
It should be.
I'm not trusting that.
I'm getting out of here.
No.
Hey, Penguin Lobby, wanna just go into like some
Alright.
I'm out of here.
Creeper, we have to start.
Creeper, I have a quick question.
So
Oh, nope, never mind.
Why is there so many holes around here, bro?
because the red names have been doing
So
nothing.
there's so many things.
Creeper,
on
I do
my
have
head,
a
can't handle it.
question. question.
So,
It's relevant to the case.
what I'm
Yes.
yes.
mostly asking because so
Oh.
far
I
I've
got
barely
Twice
seen
Murphy
examples. Oh,
thing
Creeper.
when I'm dead.
Where did okay.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Once.
It's
They
about
did-
this.
they
Like
did
the,
9
the
hearts of
self-defense ruling is super loose. I feel like I
Yeah.
do not know
Right,
what. I
okay.
usually see just people like if a red is close by and they do something aggressive, that they get like a punch or two with a sword.
It has to
which
be that.
completely fine. But no, my question is, I dropped an anvil here. I ran all the way across to the button, like here across the sides, up to the button.
Yeah.
And at that point, if someone runs all the way out of the court, up here, all the way to the side, up on the podium, and stabs me twice, is that self-defense?
It was in
I
the
would say that
30-second
would
time
mainly
limit.
violate the rule that no murdering up here.
Well,
Okay,
it was-
because
it
I lost
wasn't up
8 hearts
here.
by a green name.
I
For
well,
that.
it was, but Creeper, then you could just
Well, does
abuse
that
that.
mean?
I could
Yeah.
crit Marique and then go on the thing, and if they attack me, I can say relevance. I was on that, so I'm safe.
Yeah.
All these fucking court times are
I
bullshit. I'm
have
like-
also
I'm not. I don't want. I don't.
just stated
I don't
like
really.
don't
What I care
don't
What
about
did you
abuse
is
that.
like.
expect
If
when
it's
you go to
abused,
a
there will be
school?
like a warning system and penalties.
Yeah.
Snitch! No! God damn it. No. What happened? Why did Snitch die? What is that down there? Who's to say?
for the character.
Okay,
I told
Rookie, we have to go now.
Wait,
already
actually,
have
Pancake, I'm curious. How much did the anvil actually heal? Because it was like a
Oh,
4
hi.
block.
That took a long time.
That
Did
freaking
you see-
took like
that took
4
almost 2
hearts,
hours?
5 hearts.
4 hearts from 4 blocks. Or 5
mhm.
blocks.
Yeah,
Damn,
Have you
okay,
ever
that-
been
I did
wronged
not
by
know
anyone on the
anvils heal
server?
that much
Jesse?
damage. Nice.
Have I ever been
I need to
wrong?
keep that in mind for
I
trials.
feel like 6,
Somebody
yeah,
check the
6.
Is this you also trying to get
Wait,
like
how much are you on
trying
then
to do
right
legal
now?
services?
No, that's over. The court's
Oh.
over. This is like Secret Life.
Not that many hearts, so I'm
I don't think so. At least not yet.
Okay, well, Smurfy tried to kill me and Froakie, and now I don't like him.
What did they
They
do?
think they dropped a TNT core on me and Froakie.
Oh.
I don't know how much it did to Froakie, but it did 11 hearts to me.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Luckily, I
what-
did my test, so I got him back. But I don't like Smurfy now.
Valid.
If the opportunity were to present itself, would you attack Smurfy?
No reason not to. Wait, Snitch. Snitch. Why'd
Yeah,
you
what
fall?
happened?
I had to do a 100 block water clutch because it was a hard task I had to do.
Run for it.
Oh. So there it
And then
all
my first red
goes.
test with a TNT cannon, and I don't think I can get TNT, so I had to reroll that too. Well, I didn't reroll, I just failed it.
Oh. Oh wait, yeah, we don't have TNT. Oh wait.
So yeah, because I failed a hard task, I'm also on 17.5 hearts on red now.
Wait, how many? 7?
17.5.
Oh, 17. I thought you said 7. I was like, you're gonna
Yeah.
die.
I thought you said 70.
Yeah.
Do you get another task as red name?
Yeah, I got another task.
It's isn't
You
it?
need
it's
help.
constant red. It's constant.
I'm low key bored and I want something to do.
Yeah.
It's constant red tags.
Me and Esty can help you do a bad thing. We're bad people on the inside. Esty's like actually the worst person I know. He's like really evil once you get to know him.
Yes.
Do we have any dripstone, perhaps?
I
did
had some. I
not.
threw it away.
Oh, he threw it away.
I also had some at some point, but I don't have them anymore. I checked the base, it's not in there either.
Bruh. I haven't seen any. Wait, Snitch. Remember that like snow cave that me, you, Valor, and Technics all went to?
Yeah.
You think there's dripstone there?
Do either of you have
We can get
levels?
some there, yeah.
Yeah. I have 14.
Do you have an anvil?
I have enough to make an anvil.
I just want to put a book on my sword, but I'm not high enough level.
Are you gonna put some crazy enchantment on it?
No, it's just looting.
That's just looting.
Yeah, it's looting crazy.
Why is Valor? No, my team is
Wow.
dying. No. Hold on.
Oh.
Snitch, the team is dying. Technics is.
Yep.
Technics is owed. Valor is dead. Dead.
I'm just cooking. So what do you need help with, Snip? I can cook this later. You need drowstone, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have any on me.
You can go to that cave.
I need to go caving anyways. If you can
Also,
tell me where it is, I'll help you get dripstone, and then I can go caving.
I've just been told that I have to go, so I have to leave a bit early.
Okay.
So, oh, I didn't. My task was failed like 10 seconds in.
What was it?
It was you know what? It's funnier. It's funnier if you were to see the video clip. I should like. clip
Okay,
it.
okay.
I'll send it to the person who made me fail the task. That's for sure.
Okay.
It's gonna be so funny. I'll make sure.
Well, I don't really need exactly dripstone, but like I would need something.
Need something. That's fair enough. Can't really
maybe I
give you
might get-
much.
I don't know.
I was meant to give Valor and Technics stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna find them, give them stuff, and I'm gonna go.
Hello. I kind of sniped someone with a powerful bow.
Why would you do that to my teammate?
I need to lure
You
someone over
deal
here.
3 hearts to a non-red. That's all you need.
Thanks, Ojed.
SD, could you lure someone over here?
Okay, here's my thoughts.
I need to go in like 2
Hey,
seconds.
SD, you know, you still kind of
Will
come
you
in when you
attack?
listen. You, SD, can I have
can't
some
do it,
diamonds,
you have to do
please? Please.
Yeah, here.
No,
Here,
I give you
here.
permission.
Okay.
It's a part of my task.
Riptide, could you lure someone?
I've got this, and I've got this for
Okay.
you. I'm very sorry for
I
last
need you to
time.
lure
Thank
someone
you.
over here.
Okay. Can I? Okay.
Oh,
can I
yippee.
attack
Tell
Todd
me
and
when
then
you've
kill
done
him
it.
if he attacks
6,
me?
I'll take it.
Here, 1 second.
Alright,
Just
all
if
that,
you do
remember that
part-
fiasco?
That's not
we
really
had?
enough to make any piece of armor. You mayhaps have 1 or 2 more.
I do not, that's all I had.
15.
You know that whole fiasco I
Here,
made you
weapon,
do?
weapon.
Yeah, that was what
What?
task.
Are you low? Are you on the verge?
Oh.
Ah.
How many
But it's
lives
okay,
was that?
I paid you for it.
Oh, that's a
The
solid
boots
Yeah.
and the
10 bucks,
dime.
I'll take it.
Why is the creeper dead? Penguin,
Okay,
what did you
nice.
do?
Penguin,
He
you got your
consented.
task. Well
He
done.
consented.
Riptide,
You're a murderer!
All of Cherrywood's
What's in it
so
for
That
me?
does actually indirectly get my task.
Technics, what
so-
happened, bro? You're right.
So good
I
news.
don't know.
I don't owe 30 hearts.
In my life, I get more
Oh,
hearts.
yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Is there a bad news
But-
to this?
I'm back at full.
I
I
lose
love being
3
around.
hearts
I could just heal
because I
hearts
distributed
by
3
cheesing
sap
everything.
coin. So I
Nice.
lose a total of 3 hearts,
Every task.
which is way better than 30 hearts.
Yeah, only a little bit better. But
So-
the team is dropping like flies, bro.
You
Mitch
physically
failed a
can't.
challenge and is dead. Valor died.
What is this task?
We gotta lock
no,
in.
Yeah.
No, I'm re-rolling this. That's bullshit.
Hello. Also, I
don't
do
care.
have
I'll
to
take
go,
my 2.5
but
heart
reroll.
credits.
Alright.
That's my stake.
wait, can you get
Why am I
level like
broken?
30 enchantments?
Hey,
Can you-
can you hear me?
I'm only level 1.
Okay, Penguin, stop using the secret
Hold
keyboard.
on, I need to ask that, but I'm gonna go.
Oh, my
very
bad.
Do you
soon.
guys have any food? I'm Loki starving.
Oh,
Also, don't go around
No.
Mochi. They're very stabby right now.
Can you? Enchantments are uncapped,
Snitch.
right?
Yeah, it's level 30.
Huh?
Snitch, what happened?
Oh well.
I had to
unless
do
I'm
the,
behind.
hard task, which is the one.
Dude, I
Oh,
didn't
I am too,
lose
for sure.
30
OP
hearts. I
Riptide,
lose
are you
3.
willing to lose 1 heart?
Dang.
Yes.
Okay, that's doable.
Okay,
Jar
then
them
fall down
Dang.
Right, okay.
Instead of
a hole
30
that'll
hearts,
deal
I
more than
lose
1 heart. Okay,
that was
thank
a
you.
half a heart. Hold on.
Oh.
I gotta do it again.
Before- yeah,
That's
just do it
awesome
again,
trade,
yeah.
Because I was totally in the wrong there, dude. I was like, oh, I just got my 3 hearts taken. I was like, I'm pretty confident I was the most in the wrong ever. But then you know things just work out, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Divine
So,
intervention.
but
Otherwise
I
known as
also
Java
completed-
Joseph.
Yeah, Java Joseph is just like, I'll save you. Alright, what happened? We don't have a door. Our house is destroyed,
Yeah,
basically.
it's just
Destroyed is an
completely-
understatement, but
Who did this? Who did this?
I don't know.
Weren't like creepers here?
Oh yeah, there's a creeper spawner in our base. Hang on. Hang on.
What?
Do
we have an anvil?
I can make one. Or Snitch can just make one materialize out of
Guys,
thin air.
guys. Watch this.
Okay.
I'm watching intently.
No, Doggy LC. Doggy LC.
He's here!
We got one. It was worth it. And it's not even a stolen one as well.
He's just here. That's
To be fair, he could have sued me for stealing, but like, whatever.
It's whatever. This was only like court.
Yeah.
I'll tell you guys what. I put a hold on, wait. It's actually better if I show you guys. Here.
What?
Hey guys.
Hi Valor. Our
Valor.
base is in
It's
shambles.
not going well.
Valor, you won for me. Thank you, Valor.
Yeah, and then I get assassinated.
Well,
Yeah, but
things could be worse.
Yeah.
You have to understand, I get assassinated, and then I have to reroll twice because the tasks are kinda out there.
Oh, Valor, how
And-
low are you? Wait, how low are you if you got assassinated?
And then I jump into a stream of water and land on the only block that isn't water.
Valor, how low are you?
I've lost 8.5 hearts already.
And you have to still put in your task.
Hey, do any of you guys have lava? Please.
I
I
don't.
have lava.
I have a lava.
Can I have it?
Get your lava.
It's not going well.
Oh, Valor, Valor.
I can see.
Spawn a skeleton. Take my skeleton spawning.
I don't know if I'll particularly use that.
Valor,
Take
Valor,
it.
Valor, Valor.
Can I
would
have
like to
food?
bestow-
I have no sprint either.
Valor, I'd like to bestow something upon you.
Bestow? You
for
mean?
your-
What the fuck is a bestow?
You know what I mean. Because of your dedication for what you did for me, I would like to gift you the End Crystal,
Thank you.
which you can use to kill as many people as you want.
Yo, take your evidence.
Yeah, we don't even have to use this, bro.
Take
Yo,
your
this is a
evidence.
test
It's
run?
literally just a book named Yo, this was a test run.
That was backup plan C.
That was quite the backup.
How many backup plans do you need? Also, by the way, can I have food? Can I has food?
Sure.
I don't have
can
any
has
food. Yeah, I need some.
Yippee, I have a full
Valor,
inventory.
can you share with me, sort of? Maybe give me a couple? Just like
I
5.
have no sprint.
Okay, after you're done eating it.
We're all kind of struggling here.
Thank you. Yo, all 2 have red, 2 are on yellow.
3.
We should decorate this with some cherry wood. That's what I think.
Yeah, there's none on the map.
Hold on.
Unfortunately, I
find
can't
some.
guess your task, but I know what it is.
We'll find some cherry wood.
That's what I thought.
One last thing before I have to go. With the skeleton spawner, you can farm bones because I put down a wolf spawner. So
You
I'm
put down a
kinda-
wolf spawner?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's big. That's huge. Thank you, dude.
Valerie, you're right.
Hey, SD,
Yeah.
how much are you on?
Like hearts, I've got 29.5. I did.
Would you
pretty
do something for me?
good. What is it you're asking of me?
Can you can I push you into the lava for like half a second, then you can like.
Oh.
Yeah, can I just
Whoa.
like. Can you jump into lava for half a second and then I'll.
That seems like a lot of damage.
Does anyone have water?
I have an axolotl bucket.
Yeah, can you
Wait,
can you
saying me?
Alright, SD.
Dude, Cam, get out of the way. Thank you.
Go in for half a second.
it's about to flood here.
Just dip your toes in it. That's all.
Yeah, wait, no, hold on real quick. I think the wording is up.
Oh my god.
Dude!
There, that's perfect, thank you.
I lost a heart.
Pleasure
and a
doing
half.
business with you.
Thank you. I lost a heart and a half? Could have been
Hold
a
on
heart.
real
Okay,
quick.
so we're pretty bad in terms of hearts.
Don't worry, FTSD.
Ah! Thank you, Valerie.
Alright.
Alrighty, I do have to go now. I've been told this several times.
Alright,
so
bye,
I'm gonna
SD.
go. Bye-bye. Dog. Yep, bye-bye. Alright, well, that was it. I have to go. Bye-bye.